Good morning, dear students. Let's begin with the geography revision worksheet for exam of the lesson number 7 and 8. With this worksheet, I am sending revision PDF also. So don't forget to write that revision PDF in your rough book. There are many questions available in revision PDF. So don't forget to study that PDF and this revision worksheet. Okay. So let's begin with the very first question, and that is, name the following. Number 1. It is durable, more useful and has an added value. Answer is finished product. Number 2. Two places that are not conducive to industrial development. Answer is dense forest and desert. These are the two places that are not conducive to industrial development. Next question is, an important engineering sector in today's world, that is information technology. Number 4. One of the important factors responsible for the development of a region, obviously population. Next is, one region where the area is large but the population is small, that is Rajasthan. Number 6. In the decade of 1980 to 1990, they put forth the concept of human development. Answer is Mehboobu'l Haq and Amartya Sen. And these questions are not available in your exercise, in your textbook. Okay, so don't forget to write this. Question number 2, give full form of. This question is also not there in your textbook. Number 1 is CSR. The full form of CSR is Corporate Social Responsibility. Number 2, MIDC, that is Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. Number 3, BHEL, that is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Number 4, GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. Number 5, HDI, that is Human Development Index. Number 6, UNDP, that is United Nations Development Program. Students, go through with all these full forms. It can come as a fill up, it can come as a match the following. Okay. Question number 3, complete the following sentences. Number 1, which factor amongst those mentioned below does not directly impact industrial development? Options are air, water, electricity and labor. Answer is air. Number 2, which of the following is small industry? Answer is book binding industry is small industry. Question number 3, which of the following cities is not an IT center? Old Delhi, New Delhi, Noida, Bengaluru. Answer is Old Delhi. Number 4, an amount of 2% of the profits have to be utilized for which purpose by industries? Answer is corporate social responsibility. Number 5, if the birth rate is greater than the death rate, then the population increases. Number 6, people of dash age group are included in the productive population. Your answer is 16 to 59. Remember students, your answer is 16 to 59 age group will come under the productive population. Number 7, the spread of modern technology in society is mostly dependent on literacy. Answer is literacy. The spread of modern technology in society is mostly dependent on literacy. Question number 4, state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the incorrect statement. Number 1, small and medium industries of a country are harmful to heavy industry. Answer is false. Small and medium industries of a country are not harmful to heavy industries. You have to write complete answer. Okay. Number 2, the level of industrialization is an indicator of the economic development of a country. Answer is true. This statement is true. The aim of the Industrial Development Corporation is to decentralize industrialization. This is also true line, true statement. Number 4. Corporate social responsibility is compulsory for every industrialist. Answer is false. It is not compulsory for every industrialist. The population density of a region can be understood from its area. Answer is correct. The quality of population is determined on the basis of literacy. Answer is correct. There is an adverse impact on a manpower in the regions of outmigration. Answer is correct. Greater economic prosperity indicates the development of a region. This statement is also correct statement. Number 9. Developing countries have an HDI, Human Development Index, of 1. Incorrect. Highly developed countries have a value close to 1. Okay students, so you have to correct the incorrect statement also. Then too you will get marks. Next question, question number 5 is, prepare a flow chart for the following statement. See the question, the journey of clothes we use from the farm to us. See, like this you have to make a flow chart in your revision worksheet. Let's see the journey of clothes. It will start from farm. Then we'll get cotton balls from farm. After that it converts into fibers. Then spinning of yarn. It is converted into 2 steps. First is weaving and next is knifing. They both will convert into fabrics. After the step of fabrics is dyeing, the coloring of fabrics. Then it will go to manufacture department, that is manufacturing of garments. Then it will distribute it to wholesalers, wholesale distributor. Next step is it will go to retailer. And the last, it will reach to us, we are consumer. So this was the journey of clothes from farm to us. Okay students? Students, as I told you, I am sending PDF also along with this worksheet. So don't forget to write that answers of PDF in your rough book. And study hard. Best of luck for your exam. Thank you.